Greetings, aviators and aviation fans. This is Mike, the Chili Dog pilot. Hope you all are doing well. As you can see, it is dusk outside, and I am en route to Lakewood Airport in New Jersey. We're going to start off with a dusk landing at Lakewood, and then we're going to go ahead and transition back to Northeast Philadelphia Airport while I'll knock out 2 night landings. And for those of you with a sharp eye, you will notice that my JPI engine monitor is not in the aircraft currently. I was having some issues with some of the feeds going into it and found out that it requires a new motherboard. So it is off to the manufacturer for refurbishment, and hopefully I'll have it back in the next few weeks.
And Lakewood traffic, Tomahawk is midfield, left downwind, runway 6, Lakewood.
Lakewood traffic, Cessna 172, 9 miles out from the southwest, we'll be entering the 45, left downwind for 24, Lakewood. Is that a Tomahawk landing at Lakewood?
Affirmative, we're using 6 right now, but the wind's calm, so I'll be out of your way by that.
No, we're going to use 6, I apologize, but I was asking, was that a Tomahawk landing at Lakewood?
Affirmative.
Alright, and Lakewood traffic, Cessna 172, 8 miles out, we'll be doing a straight 6 for Lakewood.
And Lakewood traffic, Tomahawk's left base, runway 6, Lakewood. Lakewood traffic, Tomahawk turning final, runway 6, Lakewood.
Lakewood traffic, Cessna 172, 6 miles out, straight in 6, Lakewood.
And Lakewood traffic, Tomahawk departing, runway 6 will be a northwest departure, Lakewood. Lakewood traffic, Tomahawk turning left crosswind and departing to northwest, Lakewood.
Silver traffic helicopters 5 to the east 1700, transition north to Somerset, Silver traffic.
And Northeast Tower, Tomahawk 1996 X-ray is at the Turnpike Bridge, 2500 with X-ray. We'd like to do some pattern work.
Tomahawk 1996 X-ray Northeast Tower, another right downwind runway 6.
Okay, right downwind runway 6, 96 X-ray.
Tomahawk 906 X-ray, you looking for touch and goes or something else?
If I could do a stop and go, that would be great for 96 X-ray.
906 X-ray, roger, wind 150 at 9, runway 6 cleared, stop and go, on the go, make right traffic.
Okay, cleared stop and go, runway 6, and right traffic for 96 X-ray. Okay, fuel pump is on, mixture's full rich. You're on the fullest of the 2 tanks.
Southeast Tower, helicopter 567 Hotel Alpha, Atlantic ground with X-ray for the city.
Helicopter 567 Hotel Alpha Northeast Tower, departure from the ramp, BSR refuse caution, remain south 64 at all times.
Departure Monroe, south of 67 Hotel Alpha.
Tomahawk 906, X-ray wind 150 at 10, runway 6, cleared stop and go, on the go, make right traffic.
Okay, cleared stop and go, runway 6, and we're actually going to depart to the north after this one, 96 X-ray.
96 X-ray, roger, left turn on course is approved, on the go.
Okay, left turn on course approved, 96 X-ray.
I got a 567 Hotel Alpha. Before you go, you got traffic at your 2 o'clock and about 2.5 miles southbound medical helicopter, altitude's 500.
Local further traffic, 7 Hotel Alpha.
7 Hotel Alpha, free change approved.
7 Hotel Alpha, thanks.
Northeast Tower, Mooney 2971 Lima.
Mooney 2971 Lima, Northeast Tower.
2971 Lima is 12 miles east, inbound, full stop. We have X-ray.
Mooney 2971 Lima, enter the right downwind runway 6.
And a right downwind runway 6, 2971.
Doylestown traffic, Tomahawk crossing midfield 2500, will be circling to enter the downwind runway 5, Doylestown. And Doylestown traffic, Tomahawks over the quarry on a 45 entry to the downwind, runway 5, Doylestown.
Remarks. Density altitude 500. Doylestown Airport. Automated weather observation 0056 Zulu. Wind variable at 03. Visibility 10.
And Doylestown traffic, Tomahawk is midfield, left downwind, runway 5, Doylestown. Fixtures full rich, fuel pump is on, lights are on, seatbelts fastened, we're all good. Doylestown traffic, Tomahawk's left base, runway 5, Doylestown. And Doylestown traffic, Tomahawk's turning final. Runway 5, Doylestown.
Well, I hope you enjoyed joining me on this evening flight while we got some night landings in under our belt. As always, please like and subscribe and recommend this to others. We are trying to grow the base of audience and hopefully encourage somebody else to get into aviation. Until we speak again, thank you and have a great day.